My name is Eleanor Hegland. Indian name Iligo Agatsi Sagawisku. And I'm a Ronge band member. And my roots are from the chalk line, not no Tamigo Swansea. And my mother's from Montreal Lake Band, and my dad's from the Ronge Band. And I grew up on the reserve, and I was taken away. I was taken away when I was 7. I got loaded up on a bus with a bunch of other kids to go to the residence. So my last birthday in the drop line, I turned 7. And I never went back there for 30 years. I never had a birthday at the drop line since then. So next year I will have a birthday there. Or maybe when I'm 70, 2 years. So just to go find myself.
Again, ask women for doing this interview with us today. The first question that we would like to ask you is, how do you feel about working for the LRIB Education Department?
I'm very grateful that they asked me again to work with them with language and culture. I'm pleased.
How important is it for Indigenous youth to learn their language?
I think it's very important for everyone. From you're a baby in a swing, you should start singing the alphabet, like me, moo, moo, mama. You're singing the alphabet. You're putting the alphabet in the child's brain. And when you start teaching them the sound system, they have it in their brain so that it's easy for them to learn language. When you're 2, 3, 4 years old, you're a little sponge. You can speak the language. It's been proven over time. We have to teach them history. I usually do 4 circles. The beginning, who you were before contact, and then we had contact, then after contact, and the 4th one's the destruction, where we have to rebuild ourselves, our identity, find our language, find our culture, find our relatives, find our ancestors, find out where we came from. That way we can truly be with our who we are, because you need to go back to the land. The land is so important. It gives you everything you need. It gives you life, all the trees, birds, animals, and the water. They're all healing you, and that's our life. Our life is on the land. That's what makes us beautiful. Our belief, I guess as Indian people, Wichituin, that's where we all help each other. It's still in us. Our grandmothers and grandfathers, our ancestors knew their past. They knew the stories. They knew the river systems. They knew where the medicine rocks are. They knew where the medicine is. They knew what rivers to travel to. And the traditional legends are part of our life, to hear those stories.